I'm gonna generously spray my pan with some pan spray. Now that I have my pan sprayed with some nonstick pan spray, you could use oil if you like, use whatever you like. I have my bone-in, skinless chicken thighs. I took the skin off myself. It saves you some money. You could use just the already prepped, no bone, no skin. I just feel this is a lot of flavor and it keeps the cost down. I'm going to show you what I actually seasoned this with. Salt-free dash flavorful taco seasoning. Sprinkle it on. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Dry oregano. Just a pinch of sea salt. As far as for the dash taco seasoning, you don't have to use the whole package. Just adjust it to your liking and you're good to go. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to seal the deal, I guess you could say. So I did have this on a medium-high heat. I still do. I'm going to flip this over and then crisp up the other side. Now that I flipped my chicken thighs and they've been cooking a while on a medium-high heat, I turned it down a bit to medium-low. I'm going to add about a half a cup of water to my pan and deglaze it, I guess you could say. You could use broth, but at this point I feel with all the seasoning you don't need it. So water's fine, but if you want to do some type of broth or beer or something like that, go for it. But this is going to be just as good. And you're kind of creating your own broth because we're cooking chicken. We have all the seasonings and you're good to go. Now that I brought this to a boil, I'm going to add some chopped garlic. This is about 2 medium cloves or 1 large. The dash seasoning is really good because I like it, as far as for my opinion, is because you could adjust your seasoning to your liking when it comes to salt. So now I'm going to add some salt to bring out that flavor. Now that I have all of this done, I'm going to turn my heat down to low. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer until everything's fully cooked. You could turn it on simmer or low, whatever works best for you. My chicken thighs are fully cooked, so I actually took them off the bone, off camera, and just chopped them up a bit. You could shred it if you like. And just keep in mind, I did do bone in, skin on. I removed the skin myself, and then I cooked it until it was fully cooked and ready to just be, you know, chopped up or actually shredded. Whatever you want to do and however you like it, go for it. So now we're going to prepare this burrito. I have some beans. They're not refried, but I cook them a certain way to where they feel like they're refried and they taste delicious. So this will be a video I will be sharing, and this is going to be the first thing that I put on my tortilla. And I did toast my tortillas a bit on an open flame because I feel it's always good just to warm up your tortillas and cook them a bit. Now I'm going to add some of my chicken. Also keep in mind, whatever you want to put on your burrito, go for it. If you want to add some cheese, your favorite cheese, go for it. But I'm just going to be adding some fresh salsa or pico de gallo. And that's all I need. So let's roll this up. This is so delicious. Try it out. You're gonna love it. And I'll see you in my next upload.